bike weekend or not, but there's a lot of motorcycles down here. Channel to the ocean. A lot of debris on the ground, as you can see, from the storm. Once again, not as bad as, I anticipated it would be after the winds we encountered last night. Not bad at all, considering. Looks like all the rides are still shut down, except for the main Ferris wheel on the far side of Myrtle Beach. Check that out a little later too. Yeah, a lot of mud on the sidewalks. To be expected. What's this spot? Yeah, it's almost like everybody was just hiding out, hiding out until